Let me ask you a question. What do people think when they hear your business name? If your answer is fuzzy, inconsistent, or worse, nothing at all, then your branding is failing you. And here's the truth. Branding isn't just a logo or a color palette. It's the story you tell, the emotions you create, and the trust you build. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 branding mistakes businesses make and exactly how to fix them, so your brand can start attracting the right clients, standing out from the noise, and driving growth. Hi, I'm Jonathan Obise, founder of Paruto, your all-in-one creative agency helping businesses grow through media, music, education, and technology. On this channel, we share strategies and tools to help you build visibility, authority, trust, and sales. So if you're serious about scaling your business, hit the subscribe button and let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Inconsistency. Too many businesses look different on every platform. One style on Instagram, another tone on their website, and something completely different on their brochures. The result, confusion. And a confused customer never buys. Now, this is a fix. Define clear brand guidelines, your fonts, colors, voice, and messaging, and stick to them everywhere. Number 2, no clear brand story. Now, people don't connect with products, they connect with stories. If your brand can't answer why you exist, who you serve, and what makes you different, then you're just another business shouting into the noise. The fix: craft a simple, compelling brand narrative. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Who you are, what problem you solve, and why it matters. Number 3, neglecting your digital presence. In today's world, your website and social media are often the first impression, but too many businesses treat them like an afterthought. Outdated websites, no content strategy, and inconsistent posting. Now, this is the fix. Treat your digital platforms as your storefront. Update your website, invest in quality content, and show up consistently. Number 4, copying competitors. It's tempting to look at what's trending and just replicate it. But here's the problem. You'll always be a step behind and your brand will feel generic. This is the fix. Differentiate. Focus on your unique strengths and values. Authenticity beats imitation every single time. And number 5, ignoring emotional connection. Brands that only sell features, we're affordable, we're fast, miss the bigger picture. Customers buy on emotion and justify with logic. If your brand doesn't make people feel something, it won't last. This is the fix. Connect emotionally. Use stories, visuals, and even music to create experiences. So, the top 5 branding mistakes are: number 1, inconsistency; 2, no clear story; 3, neglecting your digital presence; 4, copying competitors blindly; then 5, ignoring emotional connection. And the good news, every single one of these mistakes can be fixed. Now, at Paruto, we help businesses build brands that stand out, connect deeply, and drive sales. So whether you need a visual identity, a content strategy, or a full rebrand, we're here to partner with you. If you're ready to take your brand to the next level, reach out to us today. You'll find our contact somewhere in the description, on the screen, or maybe somewhere below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, hit the share button, subscribe, so you never miss an episode of our business video series. See you next time, and bye.